So here is an example of where a tool that's, pretty much defined for one function, which is a potato masher, you can actually use for different, applications. Here I'm using the potato masher to make my strawberry muffins. If you haven't tried them, you really need to. They are just so yummy. So here what I do is boil the strawberries, mash them a little before, mash them when they're a little bit softer, get all of those juices out. So again, see what other tools you have at home that you can use for more than one application. And this is where you can see this potato masher did a much better job and easier to handle than a fork. It'd be really hard to get a fork in here. I have done it before in a bowl ahead of time, but nothing does it quite like a potato masher.
Yes.
Do you think these are going to be good strawberry muffins?
Yeah.
You usually like them, right?
Yeah.
Yum. Oh, Ben. I know you love them.
I don't.
Yeah.
That means I do.